Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this graphic. You can see it's a bitmap with a white background and wanted to know if I knew how to create that effect. Well, in short, no. I'm not a graphic artist. This was done by a graphic artist. It could be done. It would take me too long to make it worth it. Basically, I think it's a Nike logo swish with like it's torn out of paper. So it's not too big, but it's 7 inches. I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna change my nudge factor to 8. And I'm gonna make a duplicate of that. And then I'm gonna take this one and trace it. Outline trace clip art. Basically all we're trying to do is get rid of that white background and use the original picture. It's gonna take a little bit of time because it's doing a lot of work. It's almost halfway done. And there we go. Now, this isn't very good, but it has removed the white background, but it is not very colorful. So what we want to do is cut out the white background of that picture. So I'm going to take away the yellow box. I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool, and the Smart Fill tool is going to fill in everything but where that object is. I'm actually going to move that out of the way and then fill that in and then move it up. And so I'm nudging so I can put it right back. Now that's on top. I can grab it all, and you can see down here we've got two objects selected. I'm going to go to the intersect tool. I'm going to intersect it. And now we have that object that looks like the picture closely. I don't know if he's printing it or what. I think that would print. And as you can see, well, I'm going to have to get rid of that other box. Well, not necessarily. Yellow box, object, order, back a page. And you can see we have that pretty clear logo with the white background removed. And you could still probably tweak this a little bit, changing some colors. I'm just not a graphic artist to take it to that point. Anyway, I hope that gave him some ideas, and thank you for watching.